What's going on, everyone? Cody from Nitrous Express and Snow Performance. Today we're going to be checking out our brand new 4150 burst plate. This Nitrous Express Burst Plate allows for pressure relief upon the occurrence of a backfire. The panel features 4 opening panels that allow for the venting of excessive pressure, whether it's from a nitrous backfire or a naturally aspirated hiccup. These are a very cost-effective form of insurance to protect carburetors and intake manifolds. So as you can see here, we have our custom machined bolts, and you can see they have enough threads to be able to fit them into the plate. But then once you have your plate right here, it'll only be on the smooth surface, ensuring that you don't have any interference whenever a backfire does occur. It'll always freely move.